Good day, everyone. Today I will do a quick analysis of Ethereum and Bitcoin, focusing on potential zone I'm looking for, so you know how to position yourself moving forward. Also, on my profile, you can find free education for those who are new to this. This is not solicitation, it's just my opinion on how I see market moving ahead. Okay, for this analysis, we will take weekly time frame, logarithmic chart. When I do analysis, I prefer to having multiple tools pointing to the same zone. First, I would like to mark all fair value gaps. Fair value gap stands for imbalance between buyers and sellers. You can easily recognize it when you see three candles and the third one fails to cover up the first one, creating imbalance. I will mark there is a fair value gap and another one, but those fair value gaps already tested, so we need to find where wasn't tested. And over there and over there. This is also fair value gap testing right now, but we will take this one and this one. Okay, so next free tool we will use fixed range volume profile. This tool calculated the volume date with specified time period, so we will across almost the entry chart to see. This line is called value area high, point of control, and value area low. You can see that price found support over there. And soon the price starts losing support in this line, it weakens and it looks for the next support, usually the point of control, where is the highest volume has been the last 8 years. So we will mark this point of control. You can type and you can delete this. Next tools, trend-based Fibonacci extension and Fibonacci retracement. Trend-based Fibonacci extension shows us how far corrected this correction could go. So we will take this high, this low, and this high. First, go to option and check this Fib level based on the log scale. I like to use 1.618 and 1.9. You can see overlapping with first fair value gap, 1.9 overlapping with point of control and second fair value gap. Okay, second tool, Fibonacci retracement. We will take this low and this high, double click, check these options again, Fib level based on low scale, check 0.618, 0.6, this is the golden zone, and now we can see three overlapping, fair value gap, Fibonacci trend extension, and Fibonacci retracement, and near is point of control, this is the first zone of the interest. Something like this. And second zone. And I will use last tool, trend-based Fibonacci time, to see when it should happen, switching from Bitcoin to Ethereum. I will take first low, this high, and I will mark date. It will happen 18 November. Now we have date when it should happen, two zones to watch, and to see will investors switch money for Bitcoin to Ethereum and middle caps. I hope you enjoyed in this analysis. If you want to follow along with me in shorter time frame, feel free to join Telegram and Discord over there. Thank you.